Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. Today's topic is hepatitis. Hepatitis is a broad term that means inflammation of liver. It is most commonly caused by virus but also be caused by drug and alcohol, chemical, autoimmune disease and metabolic abnormalities. Etiology of hepatitis: viral hepatitis, alcoholic hepatitis, autoimmune hepatitis, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis. Viral hepatitis: introduction. Five types of hepatitis have been identified: hepatitis A, B, C, D, E. Hepatitis A is always an acute short-term disease, while hepatitis B, C, and D are most likely to become ongoing and chronic. Hepatitis E is usually acute but can be partially dangerous in pregnant women. The hepatitis A and E virus typically cause only acute or short-term infection. Other less common viruses can also cause liver disease that include cytomegalovirus, herpes virus, rubella virus, Epstein-Barr virus. In this incidence, viral hepatitis is a major public health concern. 10 million cases occur worldwide. It is nearly universal during childhood in developing countries. India is a hyper endemic for hepatitis A virus infection. Annually, over 1 to 2 lakh in India die due to illness related to HPV infection. Worldwide, 170 million people are infected with hepatitis C virus. Hepatitis A highly contagious liver infection caused by the hepatitis A virus. Hepatitis A virus is a ribonucleic acid virus of the enterovirus family. It can cause acute hepatitis with jaundice. Also cause acute liver failure. It does not cause long-term infection. Incubation period is 3 to 5 weeks with an average of 28 days. It is transmitted primarily through the facial oral route. Surface of infection is crowded condition, poor personal hygiene, poor sanitation, contaminated food, water, shellfish, person with subclinical infection, infected food handler, more prevalent in underdeveloped countries. People who travel to developing countries more likely to get hepatitis A. Fatigue, fever, abdominal pain, nausea, jaundice, weight loss, itching, sharp pain in right upper quadrant abdomen, anorexia. Management: there are no drug therapies for the treatment of acute hepatitis A. Rest according to patient level of fatigue, hospitalization, small frequent feeding of high calories, low fat diet, protein are restricted, vitamin K injection if PT is prolonged, IV fluid and electrolyte replacement and antibiotic drug. Hepatitis B virus can cause acute and chronic infection. Acute hepatitis B infection may last up to 6 months with or without symptom, and infected person are able to pass these virus during this time. Chronic hepatitis B is defined as persistent of HBsAg for 6 months more than after infection of HBV. Incubation period is 2 to 5 months.